Ali loved his phone very much.
Every morning, he woke up and checked his phone first.
One morning, Ali woke up and looked for his phone. But phone was not on his table.
He looked under the bed, in his bag, and in his pockets. Then he remembered, oh no, I left my phone at home.
Ali felt worried. He thought, how will I spend the whole day without my phone?
At school, Ali wanted to check messages, but he had no phone.
He saw his friends talking, laughing, and playing football. He felt shy, but then he joined them. Ali ran, kicked the ball, and laughed a lot. He felt happy. He realized he could have fun without his phone. During break, Ali and his friends sat under a tree. They shared snacks and told funny stories. Ali laughed and forgot about his phone. After school, Ali went home. He saw his mother cooking in the kitchen. He asked, Mom, can I help you? She smiled and said, Yes, Ali, thank you. Ali helped his mother wash vegetables, set the table, and clean the kitchen. He watered the plants in the garden. He felt proud and happy. In the evening, Ali picked a book and started reading.
He drew a picture of his school and friends.
He wrote a short note.
Today, I did not use my phone. I played, helped my mother, read a book, and had fun.
Life can be fun without a phone. Before sleeping, Ali looked at his phone. He smiled and said, Tomorrow I will use my phone, but today was a great day. Ali slept happily.
He learned that life is about friends, family, helping others, and having fun.